Ka MDC jong ka VPP na narpu konstituensi ka kong Devi Paya Tongper, kalapun pau ke Sngewkhia halor ke jingpyni bom pyrwa jong ka executive committee, halor ke isu ban penteri kamno ya ka rel ni railway hari lum jaintia. Kekong Tongper kalapun pau ke te ke Sngewkhia jong ka halor ke jubab balayo na chief executive member jong ka JHADC Uma Thombor Shiwat. Halor ke jingkeli jong ka ha ka kenta jingkeli bat jubab ha ka dorbar mang tingka jong ke JHADC kabalalong ha ka arpunyo terik leber. Ha jubab ya ke jingkeli jong ka kong Tongper Uma Shiwat ulaong ba hadu menta ka council kampat syamla ai ya ka nu ka NOC ne jingbet ya ka nu ka company ne kenhun trekam na ka benta banle ya ka survey na ka benta ka linti yat karel harilum jaintia. Ka kong Tongper kala keli hato ka executive committee kan kentait ni pediang ya karel harilum jaintia bat na kaliang jong Uma Shiwat ula jubab bakin sapet dalapoi kata kapor bat kani ka jing jubab jong Uma Shiwat kala penbitar shipor ya ka kong Tongper.
My first question is, will the executive committee be pleased to state, is there any NOC issued by the council or any company consultancy to conduct any survey with regards to establishment of railway lines in JHADC? And the answer that I got is no. Means there is no NC. But my first supplementary question is, according to the news report published in Rota on April 26, 2024, with the headlines that the KSU is JHADC district unit, yang keluar that survey, negara terlupi rel harusnya. Well, lengkap bagi facts, bagi data, bagi kitu kibru tak sekian kibru yang kena is frontal railway. So my supplementary question is, how can the NFR conduct a survey without the knowledge and without NOC or without prior information of the district council?
Lihat yang council putih di WM Bapak, Australia the you yang tegi kubur dan yang tegi berta dan yang Syllad, ya rumah official di net office, kalau kata WM, kita boleh di klaim di council kita kamu nanti di berta ini dan ini kaki, cuma itu ayat di boleh di nanti.
It means anyone can come and do whatever they want in our district. So thank you so much, CM, for the reply. My second supplementary question is, Hatolo Council kerajaan penuh pensengnya Sywa, ni ban ayat ke NOC lada NFR kapan dan mentak railway hajan jahils.
Semasa we uang gamang lah iten mahalo kate, empuan gamang tadi, mula empuan tadi top, bawa jadi segala macam ini toilet, tapi komiti empuan ini kawan-kawan kah, dia kelam lain tak kita kamu dah bukan. Kan empuan approach kau dia tengah siapa, we kau ini kawan-kawan.
Thank you so much, CM, for the reply. And my third supplementary question based on railway lines, what is the stand of the council with regard to the issue of railway lines in JHADC? What is the stand of the council?
We internal condition lah, apa yang ditemu ini dari tengah sampai
Clear di bawah. Kemudian what is the attempts? What is the stand? Union Council tapi isi the stand yang railway for railway or not against railway. This is quite matter.
Jadi saya kata bui orang ini ini yang mana le pagi le MK mu pagi le MK mu itu kau yang kata itu rumah sebentar dahulu le speaker tidak yang kelam lah perkat. Tadi kami ni tiada kata dah Yumi.
Next question.
My next question is, will the executive committee be pleased to state, does the Clear Town Committee still exist? And the answer is yes. So my first supplementary question is, how many staffs are there in Clear Town Committee?
Mr. Sunansa, bukan dia dari pemerintah bahwa anda akan dikasih
kam uman kate istau IWM ko kanila kere tau komiti dan di atau Rasul Chairman, Vice Chairman.
Thank you so much, Dear Judge. My second supplementary question is, how much amount sanctioned for the Town Committee for all these 5 years?
Yes means don't know.
Since these past 5 years.
Past 5 years. Te kakam ga report boyoi state ngaraman kami untuk upaya ini ga office ka tere tong komiti jingskiap to ga expire ga nalu usnem arja kanya to pendok ye kan new election ndre nya gi daw mi pemilihan naga po kani ka komiti ga yoki ke konsil mi kumban ga election te sa te baik hadu kami dari ambil kami ke notification yang notice pada Pak Chou Chairman yang beri kira atau komiti warna kalian ke konsil milik wirap ya kami ke kira atau komiti tadi kau wa kami ke komiti kamu tu yang kamu terlibat dalam tiga pemilihan kau diminta ujian ke halang kena beri penyokong kau pada TV Clear Town Committee maka constitutionary body dan ke local cell body lain ketika ke self functioning kalau ketika mungkin ke council ini berap ia kini ke Town Committee dan kita kisah.
Will the Executive Committee be pleased to state what are the various terms and conditions of the MDC issued by the Ilocano Port or the cement plants located under Ilocano Port before the Council granted its NOC to the various cement company till date? And the reply is no terms and conditions mentioned in the NOC issued by the Ilocano Port or cement plant. So my supplementary questions, how many cement plants operate in Napo Ilka as far as the Council?
Ilocano saya sebentar. Nung sepa ini kantri ini boleh kan laku, mana ini dihip telum ayah gue apa ka, ini ke istri dia yang berok, dan ini kita gue yang dah eksak, lembar yang terjadi sebentar alka laku, jadi man belum melakukan kami tiba episode ini.
My second supplementary questions. May I know, is there any various terms and conditions issued by the Council? Since the Ilocano Port doesn't issue any terms and conditions, is there any terms and conditions issued from by the Council to the various cement plants till date?
Yes, Ustaz Mansar. MD, NOC kewan isu saya kami pergi ke semen pelang dan MDC dan action.
Thank you so much, sir. And may I get a copy of it?
Yes, I'll produce after that.
Thank you so much, CM, sir.